don't have to do a whole lot. So. Oh geez. I use the floor. Oh my word. That's the whole idea.
Oh, too bad.
Because we want it in a wedge shape.
Oh no.
You're gonna love how I get this done. So I take this off. I actually put slits in the bag so it can expand more.
You'll find out. You just know. Yeah. Yay. You never die.
I don't know why I'm getting this in your
Just like
And we don't want to get this stuck to the floor, but we need to get it.
and or is it?
Thinned out a bit so it's easier on the slab roller. And I'm a work.
Did he kill himself?
Yeah, I started doing this.
Oh.
Well, I'm not very strong and I'm getting tired, so I started jumping on it. Because we want it, see how it's thinner on the edge, so it's more of a wedge. That's what we want.
Still alive.
And I, like I said, I want to make it big.
This is the dog.
Oh.
Just you.
No, we do
Oh. All the gods are like, I will strike it easy to have.
So we stick the thinnest part.
He's alive.
He's not.
Probably get a lot.
No, he's not.
Sucks too. They're all bolted right now.
Because we want it wedged, so it's easier.
Alan Walker. I've seen those.
And he eats because
I've seen the plushies.
Make sure these are set right.
She had That's it. So the original two, started.
Okay.
It is, man, no.
What's in the cat? Is the cat still alive? Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
she randomly.
I'm almost done.
Your schedule is long.
Shut up.
It's having
I don't want
problems
your-
in the lotto.
I probably should have, no, I'm just making it easier.
Use your
Nobody
imagination.
likes it or
Oh boy.
Turtle.
So yeah, it's better if you can get a little bit thinner than that.
The video's great. I've watched that thing like 17 times. What have you watched 17 times?
Wow.
That's what I'm telling you. I didn't do that. Sorry, what have you watched 17 times?
Something that would also probably make it easier is
Who was the first?
you could set these both the same but thicker and go through twice. Yeah,
I didn't know he was insane.
but you have a uniform thickness slab. And that didn't take very long.
Is this how thick it has to be?
Yep. So if we're worried about how it might have some little bumps in it because the can was pulling funny,
Go
then
through
we
it
don't.
again.
You just pull it back through again. So you just need to pull it till you get the.
What you said?
He's cool though. I like him. Or maybe he's a junior. No, he's a junior. He's a year.
But yeah, this looks wonderful. would have taken us 3 days to get that rolled out.
By the power of power.
Without. Oh, baby.
Oh, I remember.
All the scenes.
Is he good at these? Like, that's pretty interesting. Alex? I mean, not
Go Peterson-Shea.
You're not
Okay.
even,
So,
you don't even know. Whoa.
I know these people, and they just.
I know these people, but I didn't know that.
is to get a trash bag.
Hey, is that called a mom?
So,
We're gonna get this onto the trash bag.
Carver, you're in my video.
You don't want to try and move it without something because it will stretch it, and you don't want that. So I'm getting it stuck to the plastic.
Having tea, so I just whip them up and then see the working.
There, I'll lift it and put it onto your arms. Does that make sense? So it's gonna be like a oh yeah, it's gonna be heavy. How about
Yeah, actually, you did get it pretty good.
and we can put it on the end of the table here. Okay.
This video might not be very good.
So how about both of you? It's like this huge anaconda thing.
No, I don't like snakes.
Face is shaped like a bell pepper.
Ready?
It's a no.
And then you're just gonna want to bring it over to the table to work.
Like those onion apples.
The bag helps to keep it from stretching so much.
Well, you're fixing something to clean it up.
So once we have it rolled out, you take it off the table so the next person can roll it